All right, family, how you doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walk Through and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and wish you all a very happy Republic Day. So it's a really proud moment that we are celebrating the 76th Republic Day of our country. And as you can see in my background, there's a flag they put up in the pathway. So they celebrated and they hoisted a flag. So they do that every time in this park every year, which is a very great thing about it. So, how was your day? I hope you guys enjoyed watching the Republic Day celebrations and the parade. I see someone join Narendra Karti. Hi, how are you, Narendra Karti? So yeah, so how you guys doing? So how was the day? I hope you guys enjoyed the holiday, the Republic Day, and watching the parade with family. So, and I guess the highlight was the Vic formation. They also called it the BAS formation, the V-shape military fighter jet formation. So I guess it was awesome, right? 3 MiG-29s in a V shape. So that was awesome. So alright, today marks the end of the 37th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge, and so it was a good day overall. I came in the late afternoon and it's time to go back now, have some work too. And again, it was a Sunday, of course, a holiday and a great day. So I also treated myself with some crazy snacks nearby gully that opens up from the park. So I would call it a cheat day today. Other days I've been having the steamed momos along with the soup. That's fine, that's healthy. Today I had samosas. There's this one Auntie Ji who has a very nice small tea stall. So she sells samosas and bread pakoras along with chai and matti and fan and some other stuff, regular stuff. And those samosas are actually really great. They are a little small size samosas, but the filling is really good and tasty. So that, and then there's another couple of other stalls, vendors who sell momos, steamed momos, fried momos, fries, and noodles, chow mein, etc. So I got a chance to try a little bit of all of it. Also they have some burger option, so I had some of each. So it was a very good cheat day. So I had the 2 of those small samosas, then I had the burger option, and also yeah, that's it. I didn't have the chow mein today. I had it yesterday. So great options they have, very pocket friendly and very tasty. The good old desi snacks, nothing can beat that. So and it's also not a bad option. Of course, you can't have samosa every day or every other day. You can have one maybe every alternate or 2 days or 3 days, but you can definitely have momos. You can have momos and maybe sometimes the noodles. So that's it. And so there is some improvement in the leg, not completely. I thought that probably I won't come out today, but I finally did, and it felt great. So I guess I'm gonna continue as long as my feet don't hurt like that, and in case they do, then I might take a rest for a day or two as well. So I guess that's all good. So alright, that's all for today. I hope you guys have started. I hope this is motivating and value giving to you. In case it is, then please let me know in the comments below. And in case you haven't started, or if you're planning to, then please do start. I will really encourage you and push you. There might be a point where I might even push you guys to start, because this is the best form of exercise in my opinion. Once again, so there's nothing better than taking a walk or a run in the park, out in the open, in the fresh air, the air on your face, and the sound of the nature, birds chirping, things like that, the smell of the nature, the trees, the air, the breeze, the soil. It's so healing and therapeutic in my opinion. Very pleasing and soothing. So you're gonna feel a lot better if you go out for a walk in place of the closed or enclosed places or enclosures. So alright, that's all from my side. See you again soon tomorrow. Take care, bye bye. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har Mahadev, Jai Hind. हाँ, hello. My buddy.